Cutting keys by camera.
Hi, my key is lost.
Do you have a picture? Just 5 minutes. Enter cut by bidding. Search HU66. Click the option. Here is the guiding picture. Install the key blank depending on the picture. Click Camera. Click Album if you have key picture. Select the picture that customer sent. Adjust the proper size of the picture. Pay attention to the red line. Align with the key shoulder. Click the Lock button, and then move every point to every bidding. If it gets ready, please click OK. And finally, click Cut. Click Continue. And then install the program transponder. Install the key. Let's go to meet customers. Try to turn on the lock. Transponder was programmed.